Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through connecting MailerLite to Memberpress. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find a free trial link in the description. For current users, just log in and follow along with us. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account, which we'll use to connect MailerLite with Memberpress. On the Zapier dashboard, click on Create and select Zaps. If needed, use the Copilot for assistance. Choose both MailerLite and Memberpress from the list. Then enter all the required details on the right-hand side. To connect your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log into MailerLite. Repeat the process to sign into your Memberpress account. Here you'll need to provide the URL and API key from your Memberpress account. Copy these from your Memberpress settings and paste them in Zapier. After configuring all your settings, click Publish and you're all set. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. Be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.